In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer all your bookmarks to Google Chrome on a new device. So, you've got a brand new computer, and you're excited to get it all set up. But what about all those precious bookmarks you have collected on your old computer? Don't worry, because today, I'll guide you step by step on how to easily migrate them over to your new device. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll be browsing with all your familiar bookmarks at your fingertips. Let's start with your old computer. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome. Once there, navigate to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll notice the three-dot menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu, and from here, you'll need to hover over Bookmarks. This action will reveal another menu where you'll select Bookmark Manager. Now, you should see a list of all your saved bookmarks. Look for the three-dot menu icon again within this Bookmark Manager window and click it. Here you'll find the option to export bookmarks. Selecting this will prompt you to save your bookmarks as an HTML file. Choose a location that is easy to access, like your desktop, and save the file there. Now, to transfer this file to your new device, you can use a flash drive or simply email the file to yourself as an attachment. Choose the method that is most convenient for you. All right, moving forward to your new computer. If you've used a flash drive, insert it into your new device, or download the HTML attachment you've emailed to yourself. Save this HTML file to your new computer in a folder or on your desktop, wherever is easiest for you to access. Open your new Google Chrome installation. Just like before, navigate to the three-dot menu in the top right corner and head over to Bookmarks and then Bookmark Manager. Once you're in the Bookmark Manager, click the three-dot menu icon again and select Import Bookmarks. A file browser window will pop up, and here you'll need to locate the HTML file you saved earlier. Once you've found it, click on Open. Google Chrome will then import all your bookmarks from the file, organizing them neatly into a new folder. You can now easily access all your favorite sites, just like before, and move bookmarks around as needed. That's it, folks. You've successfully transferred your bookmarks to your new computer. All your favorite web pages are just a click away, making your browsing experience once again personalized and hassle-free. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing on your new device.